Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to explain if you have a Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, and you need to remove or replace sunroof, moonroof, you have problems with the sunroof, moonroof, and you need to remove it, replace it or repair it. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to explain what needs to be done to get to the sunroof. Not every Tiguan will have one, but we'll demonstrate, guys, and explain what is the procedure to get to your sunroof and where it's located. So we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, and specifically on Volkswagen Tiguan, we'll have probably close to 300 to 400 repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. If you guys need any parts or tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We share it for your convenience. This is the Volkswagen Tiguan, guys. Now, as I said, ours specifically does not have sunroof, but we worked on many in the past Tiguans, guys, and I want to explain what needs to be done, guys, because we replaced many in the past, and many people ask me, how do I remove my sunroof? You guys need to remove your headliner. The whole headliner needs to come out. Check it out. Okay, the whole headliner is removed, and we have the video on the channel. If you want to see it, guys, search for it or find it, guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, so we'll try to post it there so you guys can see it. But if you don't see the link in the description, just find it, guys, and you will be able to see how to remove the headliner. Now, headliner takes about, roughly, if you know what you're doing, takes about 30 minutes to an hour to remove. If you don't know what you're doing, probably 2 to 3 hours, guys, by yourself. Now, you will need help to get it out of the vehicle because you remove the headliner through the back door, okay, through the hatch door. Once you guys remove your headliner, check it out, that's where your sunroof usually will be located. Where we have that insulation, that's where your sunroof will be located, guys. Usually it will be attached to the ceiling, guys, with only a few bolts, and the whole system, the sunroof with the tracks and everything, will come out. So not too complicated, guys, to remove, but you will need to drop your headliner. Hopefully that will clarify a few things. Now, if you guys, many of you ask me how you do that. That's why we made that video. I wish I had one Tiguan now with a sunroof, but you get the idea how you get to it. Now, if you guys have any other questions, let me know, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below, guys. That way we'll try to make a video for your specific problem, guys. That's how we get ideas for videos, and we'll try our best to help you as much as we can, guys. So now this one is a 2014 model, and that should cover, guys, the whole generation from year 2007 to year 2017. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.